Da, 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 da.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to today's vlog. You guys know that every time I start a vlog like this, almost like a sit down type of thing, you know that I'm about to talk about a sponsor. Now today's vlog is kindly sponsored by Paya Business School. Okay, Paya Business School. I'll have their logo linked up here. So Paya Business School is a business community for entrepreneurs. Every week on this platform they put out new video lessons and tips to help you grow your business, and I feel like this business school is for you if you are thinking of launching a new business or you are already a business owner. Now the best part of being a member of Paya Business School is all the support that you're going to get along the way. They have a great support team available via chat box. You can chat up with them on the website and they can put you through. If you have questions, they can answer those questions for you, like when you're having your classes online and all of that. So right now on Paya Business School, they are focusing on how to build your own online website without coding. I mean, you guys know that building a website can be very daunting, such a daunting process, and most times you have to employ the help of, a third party to help you do all of the coding process. But if you register with Paya Business School right now, they can teach you how to create your own online website without having to stress about coding. That's amazing, right? And this is really, really important, especially for those people who have Instagram businesses. You have to go through the stress of, clicking DMs, sending each customer your payment details. It can be stressful. So I feel like having an online website for a business owner is super, super duper important. Having an online website helps you with time management and, responding to your clients on time, because if I want to buy something from you, for example, I don't have to send you a DM on Instagram and wait for you to respond to me. I can just go on your website, place my order, check out, finish, end of story. Paya Business School has all of these lessons about web design covered. They can take you through the process of setting up your own website without having to pay an expensive professional to help you do it. And like I said, you do not have to have any knowledge of coding. Okay, this will help you set your business in front of thousands of clients, potential clients worldwide, by allowing them patronize your business using a beautiful but responsive website. In this modern day and age, I feel like it is so much easier to sell things online, and having a website will help you do that. You can save time and energy, receive payments on autopilot even when you're sleeping. All of this you can learn through Paya Business School. We have so many other upcoming classes available, from online course creation, how to build an online school website, affiliate marketing 101, sales funnel masterclass, how to build a sales website, accounting for small business owners, customer service 101, how to make your business outlive you, and so many other classes. I feel like these are the things that every business owner needs to know. Just in case you are watching and you don't own a business, you can actually gift somebody a subscription. I'm sure you know somebody who wants to learn how to create a website for his or her online business. So yeah, you can totally give somebody else this subscription. I'll leave all the details about Paya Business School in my description box below, so check them out. Go on their website, register for this class. There will be a discount code also in my description box below, so you can get some monies off. The code is Paya, all right, Paya, P-A-Y-A-H. That will help you get 20% discounts on all subscription plans. A huge thank you to Paya Business School for sponsoring today's vlog. Okay, this is a super duper amazing initiative, and you guys know that I'm all for people who think outside the box, and I love this idea so much. All right guys, so that is it. Enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Hi guys, good morning. Hope you guys are doing well. Today is Friday and I'm just about leaving my house with this man that I live with, called my husband. Well, anyway guys, we are going to get our first COVID vaccine shots. Our first COVID shots. I know anybody watching this will be like, what, you have not taken a vaccine up till now? Yeah, I know. I've just been procrastinating, pushing it. Trust me, I don't have any conspiracy theories about the vaccine. It was just more of procrastination. Today I was like, you know what, we are going to go and take this vaccine. I cannot wait any longer. So we are going to take our first shot. It's even me that convinced this man. My man says, hey, I don't want anything that will bring me down. I don't want anything that will make me to fall sick. I don't want anything that will make me to feel somehow. I said, guy, let's go and take our vaccine. Stop looking for excuses. So so that's why we're heading to this early morning. And if you guys want to see what we get up to, I'm not sure if I can vlog the process, but anyways, let's go. Alpha,
good.
Ready for your shot?
Yes.
You guess you're not looking forward to this shot at all. I don't know why you feel like you're going to be ill. Like you feel like it's going to make you fall ill. It's going to make you feel ill. I don't know why.
What people that are taking
They feel funny, they have fever, headache, and stuff like that. Well, let's hope, fingers crossed, right? Fingers crossed. Let's hope that.
I have work.
He said, "Me, I have work. Like you cannot afford to be sick, right?" Yeah, don't worry. Fingers crossed, we'll be fine. Alright? Yeah. It's better we get it done once and for all. We just came out of our hospital, and it's funny because they said they don't give COVID vaccine except on Wednesdays and Thursdays. And in my head, I'm just like, why is there a particular day for COVID vaccine? We're in a freaking pandemic, and COVID is still the #1 most talked about illness right now in the world. Why do you have special days for the vaccine when it is supposed to be a matter of urgency? Like, do you get? But anyways, we're going to where we know that if we go there, we'll take. So maybe National Hospital or National Primary Health Care. I'm thinking National Hospital. I don't know. Anyways, let's go. Yeah, that December was bad, I swear. We used antibiotics to suppress it, to cure it.
So the aftermath symptoms that was having after the thing cleared was consistent with what a lot of people had. You understand? The most one I felt with my knee.
So guys, we just came out of National Hospital. We actually took our vaccine here. So our vaccination cards. So my our second dose is going to be in April, middle of April or so. Yeah, so that's good. I'm just super happy. I'm beginning to feel discomfort right there. I'm beginning to feel discomfort right there, but that's fine. When you've taken tetanus shots, a lot of them, you know that this is nothing. Like when I was pregnant in Nigeria, you have to take tetanus shots while you're pregnant. I think twice during your pregnancy, after you give birth, and then when your child turns 1 year old or so. And I took all of them. So we all know that tetanus shots are not a walk in the park. Like you can't lift your hand for days. So this one is more compared to that. So yeah, anyways, I'm super happy that we finally got to do this because I've been procrastinating for the longest time. Like I have been procrastinating about this. So I'm super happy that I've gotten this done. It's paining you. When you get some, take paracetamol. You have, but if you don't have, it means you have to stop and buy some.
You even use block on it. Ice block.
I never even begin paying you. You already want to use ice block.
It's paining me now.
It's my husband there. This is my husband. He said that the thing is already paining him. We never come out hospital. He said that the thing is already paining his hand. Came to buy fuel. Thankfully, we saw a filling station that was selling and the queue was not long. Like my fuel is literally above half tank, but I still wanted to like fill it up because this fuel scarcity period, we don't know whether next week will be worse. So I just said let me just come and still top it up, you know. I just like seeing my fuel gauge on full tank, especially during this period. Once it's on full tank, I feel safe. We even had to send our gate man to come with bike to this filling station with our jerry can because we don't even have fuel for generator. You guys know that power has been non-existent. It's been crazy, absolutely crazy, non-existent power supply. So we had to send we just called our gate man and told him to bring our jerry can to the filling station so that we can buy fuel. Nigeria, see, the kind of money I want to make is the kind of money that all these things in Nigeria will not be affecting me. I'll be living in this country, but I'll still be enjoying. That's the kind of money that I need. Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
You're good?
I'm hustling fuel.
You're hustling fuel.
Fuel is like bright price.
So that fuel is like bright price. Yes, what the hell?
It's very, what?
What the hell, man?
It's a priceless
commodity right now, man.
Just to hurt me. Love just went cold.
Hi guys, hope you guys are doing well. Today is Saturday and I just got to, where is this place? Hustle and Bustle. If you don't know, again, if you follow me on Instagram, you would already know I'm hosting this year's Moms That Brunch event. So if you've been watching me since last year, you will know I hosted the last Moms That Brunch event at Fraser. That was last year, and this year I have been called upon again to host this year's event. Is going to be holding here at Hustle and Bustle April 3rd. Tickets are already sold out. Like, considering that the ticket was 30k, people bought. These Abuja people, they have money. Abuja mothers have money to enjoy themselves. Abuja mothers put themselves first when it comes to enjoyment, and I love that. So it's completely sold out and it promises to be amazing. Your girl is going to be the host, okay? And I came here because I am meeting up with Tingu today. Tingu of Moms That Branch. You guys would have seen her in a couple of my vlogs because we always hang out every now and again, moms. So yeah, anyways, let's go in there, let's have this meeting, let's draw up this program of events and let's kill it. I am looking forward to April 3rd so much. All right, so yeah, let me go in there and see what is going on. I'm not wearing makeup because it's meeting we came for. We didn't come to sleep. I'm just wearing this, my hair. I'm wearing this sets. You guys know I'm completely obsessed with sets right now. So I'm wearing this short set. The weather is still very hot in Abuja. I'm wearing this yellow and white striped set. You guys have seen me wear this a couple of times. And yeah, guys, that is it. Let me go in there and let's get this meeting started. Hi Tango. Hi. Our Moms That Brunch CEO and founder. Hi Casey, our event planner extraordinaire. It's not easy. It's not easy. It just means that Moms That Brunch is getting bigger and bigger and bigger. It's like #1 moms hangout in Abuja right now. Come on. God is good, my sis.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company?
That one. You want turkey or chicken? You want plantain? Say plantain here. You want plantain? You want plantain? Your hair is so pretty. Very nice. Hey guys, hope you guys are doing good. I'm literally trying to finish editing this video going up today. Just to end the vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. It's a short vlog, but to be honest, not much has been happening. That's why probably my vlogs have been shorter these days. Hope you guys understand. Nothing much has been going on yet. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to check out our sponsor for today, Paya Business School. Like I said at the beginning of the vlog, everything you need, all the info would be in my description box down below. So check them out. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys in today's video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
I've been feeling like the motherfucking man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the latest in the land.